What if a single teaspoon of ginger powder each day could completely transform your health from the inside out? For centuries, traditional healers have celebrated ginger as a powerful root, and modern science now confirms its incredible daily benefits. When you consume just 1 teaspoon, or about 5 grams, daily for 1 month, your body begins to undergo a remarkable series of upgrades. Number 1. Enhanced immune defense. The first change involves your body's defenses, as your immune system becomes far more robust. Ginger's active compounds begin supporting your immune cells almost immediately, helping your body guard against common threats. Your inner shield gets stronger every day. You may notice you're better at fending off seasonal bugs, while its antioxidants work to calm internal stress, a key driver of long-term inflammation. Number 2. Improved digestive health. The second major shift happens in your gut, where ginger naturally enhances your digestive power. It encourages the flow of digestive fluids, which improves how you process fats. Within days, that uncomfortable bloated feeling or sluggishness after eating can start to fade. It also soothes your stomach, reducing feelings of queasiness. If you have a sensitive stomach, this can be a game changer. Over weeks, your entire digestive process becomes smoother. Number 3. Better circulation. The warming quality of ginger does something amazing for your blood flow. It helps open up blood vessels, supporting healthy blood pressure and getting more oxygen to your cells. If your hands and feet are always cold, you might find they feel warmer as your circulation improves. Ginger also has a mild blood-thinning effect, which is great for heart and vessel health. Number 4. Revved up metabolism. Ginger acts as a natural catalyst for your metabolism. Its pungent substances stimulate thermogenesis, where your body generates heat and burns extra calories even when you're resting. After a couple of weeks, you might feel a bit lighter or notice a change on the scale. It also helps maintain balanced blood sugar, cutting down on those sudden snack cravings, a huge advantage for managing your weight. Number 5. Joint support. Ginger works like nature's anti-inflammatory, and its properties can significantly ease discomfort from stiff joints or sore muscles. In just a few days, that morning stiffness may decrease and moving around feels easier. After a month, circulation in the tissues improves, helping to reduce swelling and chronic aches. Number 6. Radiant skin. Number 6 is a visible change. Your skin becomes clearer and glows. Ginger's detoxifying power shows up in your complexion. Better blood flow and the removal of toxins result in skin that looks brighter, smoother, and more even. The antioxidants fight damage from free radicals, slowing signs of aging. Many people see blemishes diminish and a healthier glow in just 2 to 3 weeks. Number 7. Mental clarity and energy. Finally, the 7th transformation. Your energy and focus get a major lift. Ginger stimulates your mind as well as your body. Enhanced circulation delivers more oxygen to your brain, which can sharpen your concentration and brighten your mood. Wake up your mind and body naturally. People often report feeling more alert in the morning and powering through the afternoon without a crash. It also encourages the release of feel-good hormones, promoting a greater sense of calm and positivity. Final words. So, are you ready to see what 1 teaspoon a day can do for you? If you found these natural life upgrades valuable, show this video some love with a like, and make sure to follow Natural Life Hacks for more ways to unlock your best health.